वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता आनी देव बरो सांज दिवं. कित्याक हिंगासर आतां सांजे जाल्या आनी सांजेची आतां हिंगासर 9:30 जाल्या, रातची 9:30 जाल्या. तर हांव आतां तयारी करता भात, आमचे गोंयचे भात, आनी हांव आख्खी रात तेका दवरतली. ओके, तर तेका लागून कितें कितें जाय तें सांगता. आता ही माझी घरामाईची करप स्टायल आहली, पूण तेन्ना मिक्सर नासले, तेन्ना हातीन मारताले. हांव मिक्सर यूज करता फास्ट काम जावपाक. ओके, सो आमकां जाय फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आमची 5 तांतयां. ओके, 5 तांतयां आनी ह्यो जावन आसा 1 आनी अर्दो हे जे कुलेरां आहा पळय ती माप आहा पळय तेजे रवो. आनी हांवें हेका 2 टेबल स्पूनाची घी घेतल्या. आमची घी घेवन तेका हांवें सारको रोस्ट केलो, बरो भाजून घेतला. ओके, आनी इल्लेशें मीठ घातला तितून भाजता तेन्ना. ही जावन आसा घी, तुमच्यान कसली घी उजार करूं येता. आनी हे जावन आसा आमचे पुत्तून 1 आनी अर्दें कप कांतलेले चून, आनी 1 आनी अर्दें कप हे माप एमेझॉनान बा मेळटा मेजरमेंटाचे. 1 आनी अर्दें कप साखर. ओके, तर आमकां इतलेंच जाय. तर फर्स्ट थिंग, ओके, आय विल टेल इन इंग्लिश नाव. सो आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल टुडे coconut semolina cake, what we call as bath. Okay, and those days without mixer grinder we used to beat the eggs nicely in the hand and all. We used to use ghee, my grandmother. So now we need 5 eggs. Okay, nicely beaten. 1.5 cup of sugar. This is the measurement. So whatever you are taking measurement, stick to that measurement. Then I have roasted 1.5 cup of semolina, okay, with ghee, 2 tablespoons of ghee. So on low flame I have roasted it and I have kept it. So in this non-stick I used, and I roasted it for a few minutes till I get the aroma. And this is 1.5 cup of grated coconut. You can use designated coconut too. So now let's start. So we have to do, first thing is add the eggs to the mixer. Room temperature eggs. I'm not using vanilla essence because my grandmother used to not use, and still we used to not get any smell of egg. But if you want, you can use it. You can add that vanilla essence. So let's grind this to nicely. If you have a hand mixer, you can do with that also, but I am doing it in the normal grinder. Now to this let's add the coconut. So हितून आता हांव coconut घालून वांटता. सपोज तुमकां वांटूंक नाका जाल्यार तुमच्यान वांटी नाका, आख्खे घालात, पण वांटलेले जाल्यार बऱ्याक पडटा. So let's grind this again so it will get nicely mixed. Now we'll add our sugar to this and grind for just 2 times. Okay, here it is. Add it in this. So this is my style, quick style. Just grind the 3 ingredients in this. And now we will add सेमोलिना. तर हांवें त्या तिनूय मिक्स करून बरे भशेन वांटले आनी सगळें साखर, चून आनी तांतयां. ओके, आतां हितून हांव ह्यो रवो घालता. मिक्स करूया. आणि आखी रात दवरुया. So now after mixing this nicely, cover this with a cling flame or a plate, and then tomorrow morning we will bake this. Now at this point, if anybody wants to add vanilla essence or lime juice, little bit, it's all up to you. But my grandmothers do not use anything, so that's why I am doing the same. Now we'll put little bit of ghee. So 2 tablespoons I had put, and now I am again putting 2 tablespoons of ghee in this. I am not using butter also, I am using only ghee. Mix this. That's it. Done. Now I'll cover this and leave this for overnight. So I'm just wrapping this. You can cover it only with plate if you don't have this. So we'll show you tomorrow the baking and all. Okay, thank you, good night, see you tomorrow again. So very good morning to you. Now it's early morning over here, so now I will be baking this. So you have to preheat your oven 180 degrees for 10 minutes, and then you prepare your the baking container where you are going to bake. So apply a little bit of, this is ghee. You can add, you can put butter or oil. Grease it nicely. And now we'll put this baking paper. and grease that also. And this edges we will have to cut. First we'll grease this. So now this is done. Now we will add our batter to this and bake this on 180 degrees. You can keep it on 160 degrees also, depending on how it is. And so I am baking it on 180 degrees for around 40 minutes. But you keep a check, you will come to know as it is getting baked. Spread this. I have not added baking powder, baking soda, nothing like that, because eggs is the one who will do the rising part. So it's all set. Tapping it. And we'll cut this. So here it is, all set to go in the oven to get it baked for 35 to 40 minutes, but 40 minutes it takes. Okay, तर हे आता आवनान घालता. तुम्ही पयला आसल्यान कशें घातला ते आता. पयली घी लायला आनी मागीर पेपर घातला, पेपराक घी लायला, मागीर ते सायडीचे एजीस कातरल्या, नाजाल्यार उजो बा लागूंक शकता न्हू वयर आसता तेन्ना. प्लस ऑन डायरेक्ट अशें घातला आता. आनी आतां हांव बेक करता 180 डिग्रीसाचेर आवनाचेर आनी अरावंड 35 to 40 minutes. ओके, मागीर तुमकां हांव तेजो रिजल्ट दाखयता. So here is my bath ready. Okay, see, you can just pull like this also. So I will show you after cutting. Okay, ready to eat. Cut करूया. So हे जावन आमचे भात, व्हेरी टेस्टी. तुम्ही करून पळयात. माझी स्टाईल इजी स्टाईल आणि एन्जॉय करात. तुमची नातालां केन्नाय करात, तें कांय सुबेज कांय लागना. So hope you all will enjoy this Goan Baath, which is semolina and coconut cake, and it's very tasty. And hope you all will enjoy this bath cake. थँक्यू सो मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. देव बरे करू.